Hey guys, welcome back to my discussion on Power BI. So today I'm going to talk about how we can install Power BI desktop into a local system. So before I proceed with the steps of installing Power BI desktop into the local system or in our system, so I want to clear a few things. Power BI is a Microsoft product and there is no Mac version of Power BI desktop available now as of now in the market. If you want to use Power BI for your Mac notebook, you can spin up a Windows virtual machine in Azure and load up Power BI in that. That is the best way you can use Power BI with Mac. So let's start and see how we can install Power BI desktop into a local system. In order to install Power BI desktop, you have to go to Power BI official site, that is powerbi.microsoft.com. Over there, you have to select the product menu and select the Power BI desktop from there. Once you click on these options, you'll be navigated to another page where you'll be asked to download it for free. Yes, you can download it for free. You can use it for making reports, developing dashboard. The only thing that you need to take care of, that in order to share a report or you want to publish your report to the Power BI service, you need to have a business email ID. Or otherwise you can use it for free and you can play around with your multiple data source and you can create beautiful visualization and doing visual analytics on your data set. Now there is two options that you can by which you can download Power BI desktop into your local system. The first, either you can download it from this particular website or you can download it from Microsoft Store directly into your system. So for downloading it separately to your system, you can just click on the C downloads or language options. So by doing this, you can just install the setup file. You can download the setup file into your local system. Or if you want to download it from the Microsoft Store, you can just click on this download free and you'll be redirected to the Microsoft Store page and you can install the application from there directly into your system. So I've downloaded this Power BI desktop setup into my local system. Click on this setup file and follow the instructions and your desktop application will be successfully installed into your local system. So this is the interface. This is the interface of the Power BI desktop. We have successfully installed it to our local system. So you can use it for free. You can make as much visuals as you want. You can just play around with multiple data. We can just access the data from this particular option. So I will talk about each of the options in my next video when I will start working with the Power BI desktop, and I'll discuss about all the features of Power BI desktop, considering the data management part, the sharing part, and the security, data scheduling, data refreshing. And I'll also teach you about how we can just create a report and you can just publish it to Power BI desktop. So Power BI desktop is a completely free application, but if you want to share your application or if you want to publish your application to Power BI service, which is actually one of the most important part. Once you create your Power BI files, you have to publish it to the Power BI service. So for that, we need to sign in with your business account. Here the sign in option in the right hand side corner. So you just provide your business email and you can just share your reports to the Power BI. You can publish your report to the Power BI service. But from sharing for Power BI service, again, you have to upgrade your Power BI desktop to Power BI Pro version. However, Power BI, Microsoft gives a 60-day free trial of Power BI Pro version where you can just share your report from Power BI services to the end user. And after 60 days, you have to upgrade it to the Power BI Pro version in order to share your report, whatever report you have published in Power BI service. From Power BI service, if you want to share your report to the end user, you have to upgrade it to the Pro version. So guys, this was all about Power BI desktop installation. In my next session, I will start by discussing how we can integrate different data source or different kind of data connectors with Power BI desktop, and we can convert those data into meaningful information by using the power of Power BI, the power of ETL, and the power of data modeling that Power BI provides us. So this was all about Power BI installation. Thank you guys for watching this video.